Hi there. In this video, we're going to take the look at finding the derivative of an arcsin, an inverse trig. Now, I have written the rule for the derivative of the arcsin. You're definitely gonna want to add it to your notes until you feel comfortable. You've worked enough problems that it's ingrained in your head. And trust me, by the time you get to integration with the inverse trigs, you're going to want to have this pattern of the derivative kind of ingrained so you can know what to look for inside of an integral. But we're going with the derivative for this one. So let's take a look. We're going to find the derivative of 5 arcsine of x to the x over 7. So we do have a chain rule going on, but we can start with the derivative. I've got 5 times. Now the derivative of arcsine, we have the rule here. So I'm going to put 1 over square root of 1 minus x over 7 squared. And then times, now I've got to do the derivative of x over 7. So that would be 1/7. Okay, so I'm going to take this 1/7 and I'm going to put it with the 5. That's going to put a 5/7 in front here. And then I'm going to work on simplifying this radical. I'm going to go ahead and square those, which gives me x squared over 49. Now, here's the part that students tend to get a little bit bogged down with is we have to make a common denominator underneath the radical in the denominator. Okay, so that's going to stay 5/7 times 1 over square root. Now, I'm going to change the 1 to 49 over 49. So that's going to give me 49 minus x squared all over 49. You and I know 49 is a perfect square. So really think of this, and I'm going to write it like this so you can see it very clearly. I want you to think of this as 1/49 times 49 minus x squared now. That's going to help you see you can actually take the square root of that 1/49, and that would be 1/7 now. And then still under the radical, I've got the 49 minus x squared. Okay, now the 1/7 times 7, of course, is going to give you 1, and the 5 times 1 will be 5. And so I get 5 over 49 minus x squared. So again, and I've said this in a previous video, the derivative part was actually the easy part. The simplifying it, I find, is where students, like I said, have the most trouble. So spend some time practicing with this type of problem and simplifying inside of the square root till you feel comfortable with it. If you have questions or need to see more resources like this, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'd love the opportunity to help. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye for now.